Embarking on a journey through automotive history, we encounter the 1964 Mercury Marauder, a vehicle that epitomized the fusion of performance and luxury during the golden era of American muscle cars. This exploration delves into its evolution, interior craftsmanship, and current market value, offering a comprehensive perspective on this iconic automobile. Introduced in 1963 as Mercury's answer to the burgeoning muscle car movement, the Marauder featured a sleek fastback roofline designed to enhance aerodynamics and appeal to performance enthusiasts. By 1964, the Marauder was available across multiple trim levels, including the Monterey, Montclair, and Park Lane, each offering distinct features to cater to a diverse clientele. Engine options range from the standard 390 cubic inch V8, delivering 250 horsepower, to the formidable 427 cubic inch V8, capable of producing up to 425 horsepower, solidifying the Marauder's reputation on both the street and the racetrack. Stepping inside the 1964 Marauder reveals an interior that harmoniously blends comfort with sophistication. High-quality materials such as vinyl and cloth upholstery adorn the spacious cabin, providing both durability and elegance. Wood grain accents added a touch of class, while the instrument panel was thoughtfully designed for driver convenience, featuring clear gauges and accessible controls. Optional amenities, including air conditioning, power windows, and premium audio systems, allowed buyers to tailor their Marauder to personal preferences, enhancing the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the Marauder offered a range of V8 engines to suit varying performance desires. Standard engine, a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 250 horsepower, providing a balanced blend of power and efficiency. Performance options. Enthusiasts could opt for the 427 cubic inch V8 engine, available in configurations producing up to 425 horsepower, catering to those seeking exhilarating performance. These engine choices, coupled with options for manual or automatic transmissions, allowed drivers to tailor their Marauder to their performance preferences. Good condition, well-maintained examples with original components typically command prices around $25,180. Excellent condition, pristine models, especially those with desirable engine options, like the 427 V8, can reach higher valuations, reflecting their collector appeal. The 1964 Mercury Marauder remains a testament to Mercury's vision of blending performance with luxury. Its timeless design, coupled with potent engine options and a comfortable interior, continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts. Whether appreciated for its historical significance, the 1964 Marauder embodies an era where style and substance coexisted harmoniously. We invite you to join our community of automotive aficionados. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the evolving landscape of the automobile.